Good morning. Thanks for your company this Wednesday, the 24th of August. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, our local market closed lower for the second straight session yesterday, down 1.2% to close below 7,000 points for the first time in 2 weeks. Shares were lower after a number of companies reported soft results, including Endeavour Group and online retailer Kogan, KGN. Sectors-wise, only the energy and utility sectors posted gains, while the rest of the market was deep in the red, with the consumer staples sector experiencing a hefty 3.8% drop. Looking now at the best and worst performers, Altium ALU jumped 20% higher after impressing the market with its FY22 results that beat expectations. The software company reported a 23% increase in revenue and an EBITDA margin of 36.7%, and its NPAT grew 57%. Meanwhile, the worst performer was Endeavour Group, EDV, after its disappointing report card. And some of the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included IDP Education, IEL, the BetaShares Geared Australian Equity Hedge Fund, GEAR, and BHP. Moving to the US, all three benchmarks fell again for the third session as investors brace for the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's remarks at Jackson Hole on Friday. And European markets also closed lower as investors monitored the rise in oil prices and the August flash PMI, which showed that business activity had contracted for the second straight month. Now let's move to our market today. Despite Europe and the US closing lower, the ASX 200 is expected to open 0.22% higher if you go by the SPY futures. Confession season continues to be the key focus today, with lots of companies reporting. Some to keep an eye on include Coles, Domino's Pizza, Iluka Resources, and WiseTech Global, WTC. Moving to commodities, oil prices rebounded strongly as Saudi Arabia hinted the idea at a possible output cut. The gold price rose for the first time in 6 sessions as the US dollar and Treasury yields fell following weak US business activity data. And the spot iron ore price trades at US $105 a tonne. Some stocks going ex-dividend today include Telstra, SG Fleet Group, SGF, and PAC Group, PGH. A new company debuting on the ASX today is Heavy Rare Earths, an Australian mineral exploration company. It will be trading under the ticker code HRE. Now, if you hold Janus Henderson Group, JHG, you will receive your dividend payment today. And lastly, Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, FPH, and Straker Translations, STG, will be holding their AGMs today. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have downgraded its rating on Nanosonics from a hold to a sell, with a price target of $4.05. Nanosonics has rallied hard off its lows from earlier this year. However, investment arithmetic is stretched. In Bell Potter's view, a material portion of the valuation is attached to prospective revenues from products yet to obtain regulatory approval, let alone commercial validation. At its current share price of $4.68, this implies about negative 14% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central has a bullish signal on foreign exchange company OFX Group, indicating that the stock price may rise from its close of $2.66 to the range of $3.45 to $3.60. That's a rise of around 30 to 35%, and it's forecasted to occur in the next 33 days according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.